Okay, hello boys and girls. Today is August 19, 2018. I'm going to try and shoot a live video with Facebook, so just wanted to show you this here. I only got one shot of this to do this, so start live video. Starting live video. Starting live video. Okay, so now we're live. Yay! Alright, so I'll just give you a quick look through. I don't do live videos too often, but I'm just going to give you a quick, short, brief. This is what I have all for sale. Okay, there's a few in here that are not for sale, but I'm not going to point them out right away. But I'm here to unbox this huge box, which is a Crown CSC-850, and I'm making a recording with that. And people ask me, do I have cords? I have cords. So, and here I am. Hi, hello. Okay, and I'm going to put this thing up here on the door, and hopefully Michael Buey. Okay, and Faye Oliver, and alright, well here I'm going to put this thing up here, and hopefully I have this thing right, and I haven't bumped it. Wait, I got to turn it the other way. Alright, here, let's turn it this way, okay. Oh no, I hope I didn't do anything. What is that? I don't want to do it this way. Oh, good grief. Alright, how do I change this back? God. How do I change this back? I don't want this camera. I want the other camera. Does this button do it? Oh, geez. Is this the button? There we go. Yay. Okay, great. Having issues with this camera thing. I mean, you know, I'm trying to set this thing up here to where I know it'll pretty well shoot the whole. That's the vertical. Well, I can't set it up there, so it has to be a vertical video. Alright, I think that'll view pretty well. Hi, I can't say anything anymore to you because I'm shooting with, anyway, you saw all that. So here we go. And I've got power cords and I've got cassettes. And do I show up? Yeah, I do. Okay. So the little camera shows up like that. And then I'm just gonna, this is a sealed box, and here's the original, here's the original thing that I'm not going to show that off, but okay, so here it is. It's never been opened before. I have it labeled as a Crown 850f, whatever. It's a very taped up box, alright? You can see all that, alright? So, because it's so well taped up, I don't know where the seams are. Here looks like a seam, so let's start here. Alright, so there we go. Get that open, okay, and that came open, great, and then, alright, so now we get to see everybody for the first time. You can see in that camera pretty well, alright, so it's pretty well cover wrapped and taped up and such, so, oops, yeah, there it is. Alright, nothing else in the box, just some broken cardboard. We'll put that over here, put that back over there. Right. Now, I really can't see which end is up, right, or down, or bottom, or nothing, so, now I do have, let's see here. Well, that's pretty easy. Alright, great, and I'll just, okay, I do have it at the top. Alright, great. So, here it is at the top. Yep, so, and then, okay, so, so here's the top. Alright, well, I'll get to that in a moment. Let's see. So I got to get off more of this end stuff. So I did a good job with this, hard styrofoam, such. Okay, great. So now, something like that. This is off. Okay. So now we got another layer of hard stuff, and this here. Okay, and then didn't have to put all this tape on here, but who knows? All right. So I just have to. Like that, like this. I'm going to have to come in here with a vacuum cleaner afterwards and pick up all this stuff. Alright, so that like that. And then, okay, so that, this. Alright, so there we go. That off. That off. Great. So that there. This here. Okay. Now, that's off. That's off. Alright, so now, it's so much easier to use bubble wrap all the way around instead of trying to put this stuff on, but I don't know. Oh, what fun. So here. Okay, great. So there's that. And as I already know, it doesn't have a battery cover, so there's the massive battery cover. And we finally have it out. Alright, great. And let me clear up, or maybe not. Okay, so here it is. Missing the door. See here, the door does open. It's rather dusty inside, okay. But it does have the door, doesn't have any antennas. It does have the stub, so I can possibly add an antenna if I have anything that short. It needs a really long piece here. Alright, well, let's see here. What kind of, it takes a standard plug. Alright, so let's get a standard plug, which I've already tested previously, because I have a figure 8 and a standard. So here's a standard plug. Plug it in. Known good power. So let's see. So now, how do you turn this on? Let's see. So a power button. Okay. There's the power, the volume, the tuning. So you need it on FM. Here's FM. So it's all the way at that end. Radio on. Well, mic mixing, a bass, treble, balance, loudness. Wow. Okay, well. There's medium wave. Yay, medium wave.
And now, during our gigantic summer clearance event at both locations of Hofheinz, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Rams,
to put your team together.
These are working.
Label doesn't always tell that. It's really what the product does for you when you take it. That's really the true tale sign,
Sure.
I should say.
Exactly. Well, and of course, your investment of years and years of research and care and testing it over and over again, and the result now is Collagen 8. That has not gone unnoticed, of course, and certainly that is one of the reasons why you sort of have the edge with Collagen 8. So,
And I...
Well, FM works. Does it do anything? Nothing. Of course, the FM doesn't have any antennas, but it might improve if I added an antenna, but I don't get anything from the antenna, okay? So, it's dusty. Let's see here. Let's try the tape deck. If I put it to tape, you get a humming sound, eject, nothing. That comes up, doesn't do anything. Okay, I can feel the vibration of the motor running, but nothing's happening. Okay, so that's all I know. I could sit here and show off more, but I think I've shown everything I can show about this model. The only thing I really wanted to know is let's see here. Okay, this is just a plastic knob. It's not the metal knob that I was hoping for. Okay, so that's just plastic. That's just plastic as well. So this is not the L model as I thought it might be. Let's look at the model number while I'm thinking about it. Let's see here. What does the model number say? Yeah, it's a CSC-850f. Okay, takes 9D batteries. Alright, well, I wish I had the battery cover and I wish I had the door cover, but it doesn't do any of that. Hopefully I can repair it. And that's all I can show you. So I'll get the other camera here. Get the other camera here and wave it around. Check the time on it. Let's see here. So here's the other camera. Only 10 minutes. Good. It's not too long. So here's a close-up view of this. For this camera. Alright, so there's that. It's in tape mode. Let's see here. I have a high-pitched sound, or is that me? Okay, nothing works there, so... Oh, wait. Close the door. Okay. That doesn't do anything. Heads jump up in play mode. They retract, so that's good. Alright, so... Okay, so that's all it does like that. And it looks like this. It's fairly, you know, this condition. It's got, you know, wear marks. It's got, looks like that. There's some high-pitched sound coming from something. Alright, if we hit the power buttons, all go away. Yeah, it does. Okay, so there's that. Let me just flip it around for the camera. So I got vacuum everything in here now. It's pretty dusty in the back. Okay. There is the, you can read that, right? Got to hold it up close to you. Alright, and I'm going to play with this, see if I can get the tape deck to work. And if not, I'm still going to sell it one way or the other, because I only bought, oh yeah, this has got all the 3.5 millimeter inputs except for the, what is that? Moving magnet phono. If you don't know what a moving magnet is, well, you have to go learn that yourself. Alright, headphone jack, speakers, left and right mics, left and right auxiliary. Okay, alright, great. So, and this takes 13.5 volts DC input, and it's got world voltage for those that need world voltage. Okay, missing the antennas. Alright, and yeah, then on this end you have all your antenna connections. And what is that? External antenna, rod antenna, and I can't quite, DX and local. Okay, for the FM. Alright, great. So, I didn't have that set up, but there it is. You just heard it play. Been 13 minutes on this camera, and a little bit longer on the other camera. So, alright, so let me just wait. Oh, and here's the other crown that I have. I have that crown right there for sale. Okay, the little sound unit behind it is not for sale. All right, and then just this is my, what everyone calls the radio room. Okay, so it's just stuff in the radio room. Okay, so some of these I've worked on, some of them I have not. Alright, so I'll just, yeah, that's me. There's the yeah, disaster area. Okay, and then I've got cords. Alright, and 14 minutes I got more cords. Alright, and I got, you know, repaired speakers. I'm waiting on 2 sets of repaired speakers right now for the other stuff, the Sharp and the other, well, anyways, down there. Okay, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.